Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make some homemade cinnamon sugar candied pecans. Let me show you how I made it. So we're going to start with the dry ingredients, so the sugar mixture. Okay, we're going to start with I'm using both cane sugar and brown sugar. My brown sugar is some homemade brown sugar I made. Okay. And I am packing the sugar. But I'm going to add some cinnamon. You can use as little or as much as you like. And salt. Okay, so for our dry mixture, our sugar mixture, you need brown sugar, cane sugar, Himalayan salt, and cinnamon. Okay, we're going to give this a mix. Here is our sugar mixture. Now we're just going to put that to the side. We're going to get us another bowl. And to this bowl, we're going to whisk an egg with some water. I'm using some homemade vanilla. I'm using a Spiced Rum vanilla, but you can use whatever vanilla you want. Okay, so for our wet mixture, we got 1 room temperature egg. I almost put the whole egg, but y'all only need the egg white. Okay. Make sure, but I think we're good. Egg white in the bowl, egg yolk to the side. We'll use that for something else. And a little bit of water. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla. Whisk this till it's frothy. Okay, so we whisk till it's nice and frothy. Now we're going to add in our, again, I'm using these pecans. I got this from Aldi's, and I'm using 2 bags. So 5 cups total of pecans. Oh, you know what? Before I do this, let me go and set my oven to 250 degrees. Okay, my oven is being preheated to 250 degrees. I'm using a half sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure you have all of that ready. So to our egg mixture, I'm gonna add all those pecans right in. And we're gonna mix that in, coating all the pecans. So I think all these pecans seem to be nice and coated. Show y'all a close-up. Okay, this is how you're, and now y'all, we're going to add our sugar mixture to the pecans. I'm gonna add all of that right in. And we're gonna give that a good mix. Smells amazing. I always wanted to make this, and here I am making it. And it's so easy. You're gonna mix it until it's nice and coated. I think this was like the perfect amount of sugar. Okay. This is what it looks like when it's all nice and coated. I'm going to clean up my mess a little, and then we're going to pour this onto our baking sheet. Add our pecans to sheet pan. You want to spread it out. Try to do an even layer. Yeah, this is gonna be so good. Yeah, that's about as even as I can get it. Okay. Into the oven at 250 degrees, and we're going to flip it every 15 minutes. Okay, with that egg yolk, I'm going to add it to this container. I'm going to add another egg on top. I'm going to whisk that. I'm going to whisk that, and I'm going to put this on top of my dog's food in the morning. It's been 15 minutes, so we're going to give it a flip. I'm going to rotate the pan every time I take it out to flip it. That's optional. Just that sometimes your oven has hot spots and you want to make sure everything is cooked evenly, but again, that is optional. So we cooking this low and slow, y'all. Smells amazing. So we cooking it low and slow for about an hour. Perfect. Okay, back into the oven. And we're going to flip it again in another 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to rotate the pan and then put it back in the oven, and we're going to flip it again in another 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, this is the third time I am flipping this, and I think this should be the last time I flip it, because you can feel it as you're flipping it. feeling a little drier. And that candied texture you want. Try not to actually eat it yet. Okay. I'm gonna rotate the pan and add it back to the oven for the last 11-12 minutes. Doesn't it look good, y'all? And here it is, y'all. The pecans are done. We cooked it for about an hour, flipping it 3 times, so every 15 minutes. And y'all hear that? Yeah. So now I'm just going to leave it alone, let it cool. But I don't do like me. I am going to eat a few, y'all. You gotta try it out, right? Oh my gosh. That's good. I'm gonna let it okay, I'm gonna let it cool completely after I help myself to a few first, of course. But y'all let it cool. I'm gonna go ahead and speak one of these to my husband.